What happens when everyone does exactly what they're trained to do and someone still dies? One deputy, two Green Beret candidates, and two different realities colliding on a dark road in North Carolina. It's late, cold. It's rural North Carolina. He's on the kind of road where traffic stops don't come with backup nearby. Blue lights on, a pickup pulls over. The deputy steps out, alone. Routine mindset. License, registration, eyes on hands. His flashlight sweeps the cab. Then it stops. A bag. He opens it. Inside is a rifle broken down. Not sporting gear, not a hunting case, a military rifle. His law enforcement training knows that a disassembled rifle means concealment. Later, the Army will confirm exactly what it was: a disassembled M4 carbine rifle in a bag. But in this moment, the deputy doesn't hear training. He hears ambush. Posture tightens, voice changes, weapon comes up. Later, the sheriff's office will state one of the soldiers attempted to disarm the officer, as the other was attempting to get a military weapon. Inside the deputy's mind, this is the scenario every traffic stop briefing warns about. He will later say it plainly: "I feared that they were trying to kill me." He fired the candidates. There are weeks inside Robin Sage, weeks where nothing is what it seems. Police are role players. Authority is simulated. Threats wear familiar faces. Civilian clothes, civilian vehicles, a scenario weapon, broken down, hidden, controlled, but still real. Then the blue lights. Adrenaline spikes, but not the way most people think. This could be role player. This could be pressure testing. This could be escalation inside the lane. They're trained to act, control weapons, prevent loss of equipment inside the scenario. But they don't realize something fatal. The deputy is not in the exercise. He hasn't been briefed. He hasn't been looped in. He doesn't know that Robin Sage exists in this moment. From the candidate's side, the world still feels scripted. From the deputy's side, it is already lethal. Voices are raised, commands are shouted, hands are moving, and suddenly, gunfire. First Lieutenant Tallas Tomeny is hit. Sergeant Stephen Phelps is hit. A federal court document later reduces it to a single sentence: cold and final. One soldier survived, the other succumbed to his injuries. Robin Sage ends on the roadside. Sirens cut through the dark, backups arrive, reality crashes back in all at once. A fictional country vanishes instantly. Tallas Tomeny never stands up again, never earns the Green Beret he was days from qualifying for. Stephen Phelps survives and carries the night with him. This is the part that people struggle with. The deputy acted according to law enforcement survival training. The candidates acted according to unconventional warfare training. Both believed they were doing the right thing. Both were trained to move decisively. Neither knew what the other believed. Later, officials would describe it as, quote, an unfortunate case of mistaken identity and a breakdown in communications. That description is accurate, and it still doesn't undo the outcome. The Army rewrites the rules. Green Beret students no longer wear street clothes. Role-playing by law enforcement stops. Detailed face-to-face coordination with sheriff's departments is made much more complete. Safety rules are rewritten, and they were rewritten not by policy meetings, but by blood. Years pass. Courtrooms replace county roads. When Stephen Phelps finally hears a verdict that matches his memory, he says, "I was happy that the truth finally came out." But that truth does not rewind time. Robin Sage exists to prepare soldiers for a world where nothing is clear. One night in 2002, that world arrived early. The deputy thought he was about to be killed. Two candidates thought they were inside an exercise, and Tallas Tomeny paid the price with his life. This is Blue Steel Heroes. Please turn on the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.